In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy in TikTok Shop using Gcash. By the end, you'll be able to complete a smooth checkout using your digital wallet with confidence. First, open the TikTok app. From here, navigate to the product you want to order. This could be something you've saved, a product you've seen on a creator's page, or an item from the TikTok Shop tab. Take a moment to review the product details, check photos, read the description, and scan recent reviews so you know exactly what you're getting. When you're ready, tap Buy Now. This brings you to the checkout screen. If the product has multiple options, select the variation that fits your needs, such as color, size, or bundle. Make sure your selection matches what you intend to purchase. Variations can affect price, shipping time, and availability. Next, look for the option to View All Options. This is where you can review shipping choices, vouchers that might apply, and, importantly, your payment methods. In the payment section, choose Gcash. If you see multiple payment methods, simply confirm that Gcash is highlighted as your selection. Before proceeding, make sure your Gcash wallet has sufficient funds to cover the total, including any shipping fees or discounts applied. It's a good idea to have a small buffer above the order total to prevent failed transactions due to rounding or added fees. Now, tap Gcash and then continue. TikTok will redirect you to a secure Gcash screen. This handoff is normal and ensures your payment is handled safely. On the Gcash page, follow the prompts shown on your screen. You may be asked to verify your identity and confirm the amount. Review the payment summary carefully, then authorize the transaction. For your safety, never share one-time passwords or codes with anyone. After you confirm, you'll be redirected back to TikTok. You should see a confirmation that your order has been placed. If available, take note of the order number and keep an eye on your notifications for shipping updates. If anything doesn't go through, like if the page doesn't load or the payment fails, check your internet connection, confirm your Gcash balance is sufficient, and try again. Also, ensure you remain on the payment screen until it completes. Closing the app prematurely can interrupt the process. That's it. Open TikTok, choose your product, tap Buy Now, select the right variation, view all options, pick Gcash, confirm you have enough funds, and complete the secure prompts. With these steps, buying on TikTok Shop using Gcash is quick, safe, and straightforward.